In this video, I'll show you how to add a custom field in Zoho Invoice, letting you tailor your invoices to fit your business needs. Start by going to Settings in Zoho Invoice, located via the gear icon at the top right. From there, click on Invoices in the left-hand Sales menu. Then go to the Field Customization tab at the top of the page. This is where you can manage existing fields or create new ones. To add a new field, click plus New Custom Field. Enter a label name for the field, something descriptive that clearly shows its purpose. Next, choose the data type. Options include text, number, date, or drop down depending on the kind of information you want to collect. You can also make the field mandatory or choose to display it on all PDF invoices if it's important for clients or bookkeeping. Once everything is set, click Save. Your new custom field is now ready to use, making your invoices more informative and customized to your workflow. And that's it. Adding custom fields is a simple way to make Zoho Invoice work perfectly for your business.